Let's make the special masala blend. Add chaat masala and some Pakistani masala. Finish it with some amchur powder. First, cut your peeled potatoes into uniform sticks. Try to make them about 1 centimeter thick. Now, soak them in ice-cold water. Place the dried potato sticks into a large bowl. Now sprinkle with cornstarch and a half teaspoon of salt. Toss them gently. This is the chef's secret for that extreme. For the first fry, cook at medium heat. Then, flash fry at high heat for that extra crisp. Immediately transfer the piping hot fries to a mixing bowl. Sprinkle with 1 to 2 tablespoons of masala. Now toss vigorous so the oil bonds the spices to every fry. Perfect! Hear that extreme crunch? Full recipe details are in the caption below. Happy cooking!